Hello and welcome back to another episode of the DIYguy.net. Alright, today we're going to be showing you how to replace a camper emergency window latch. We will be showing you on this 2017 Heartland Pioneer RG28. Now this will be the same process for other campers or RVs. The only thing you want to do is actually measure your window latch to ensure you get the correct latch for your camper or RV. Alright, so as you can see, this emergency window latch handle is broken off from the window bracket as it is all one piece. So at the end here has the rivet, and the window bracket right there where the metal goes around that rivet is very thin and it fails there and usually breaks. Sometimes the latch or the catch inside breaks as well as just plastic, but more often than not it's a failure point right here where this rivet is and attaches to the window bracket itself. For this new emergency latch replacement, we ended up getting an AP Products. Part number is going to be a 013-242. Now this kit includes everything you need to replace the entire setup of this emergency latch handle. It comes with the bracket attached to the handle, all the rivets you need to complete the installation, the guide for the handle, and the handle catch or latch. So since the kit includes everything, you can go ahead and replace everything: the window latch, window bracket, the guide, and the catch for the handle. For us, we're just going to replace the handle and the window bracket as that's all that's broken. Our guide and our window catch or latch is in good condition. Alright, so to start, we're going to go ahead and cut and untie this string and get it removed. Then we'll go on the outside of the window. We'll go ahead and remove that duct tape so we can open the window. We'll grab a paint stirring stick or a short piece of wood, just something we can go ahead and prop the window open to hold it open for us while we go ahead and drill out these rivets. Alright, so I'm starting off with a 3/16 bit. Alright, so we got the old bracket removed. We got our new handle and bracket here. We needed to make sure this little notch is facing downward, as that's going to go in through that little guide plate and then turn and catch onto the latch and hold it shut. So we'll go ahead and place the bracket on the bottom of the window frame. We'll go ahead and align the holes. We'll slide in our rivet. We'll grab our rivet gun and go ahead and rivet it into position. Alright, now that we have one side done, we'll go ahead and align it so the other hole is lined up. Place our rivet in there and do the same thing. Alright, so now that we have those rivets installed holding the bracket to our window frame, we can go ahead and lift the handle up. We'll pull out our prop rod. We'll go ahead and slide it through the guide plate right there. Then we'll go ahead inside and close the window and make sure it latches and works as it should. Alright, so we're back inside. We'll go ahead and test the function, make sure it does latch, unlatch, and reopen. So we just lift this up, comes off the catch, holding it open. You push it over here, down into that latch. Latch is shut. Same thing with pulling it out. So when finding your replacement lever or handle, there are a few different lengths and or materials. Some are plastic, some are aluminum like this one. This is a 10-inch handle. We'll go ahead and link to that on the website. To measure it, you just want to hook the tape on the end of the handle and then go to the center line of the rivet. Right there, as you can see, is a 10-inch. So this is a 10-inch replacement for the emergency latch. And this was on a 2017 Pioneer Heartland RG28. So with the latch function as it should, it props the window up, comes back in, locks, and seals the window shut. That's it. We just showed you how to replace an emergency latch for an RV or travel trailer window. Don't forget to click the link in the description, which will take you to our website for a full write-up. You can also click that subscribe button you placed in the middle for you. On the right, you'll find a recommended video just for you, and on the left side, you'll see our recent upload. Thanks for watching another episode of the DIYguy.net.